In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix emails not showing up in your Gmail inbox. This issue can be frustrating when important messages don't appear, but we'll walk through a few simple steps to fix it. First, open your Gmail account and look at the top right corner for the gear-shaped settings icon. Click on it to access Gmail's configuration options. From the drop-down menu, scroll until you find the Inbox Type section. This option controls how your emails are organized, so it's important to set it correctly. Click on Default to ensure your emails are sorted in the simplest way and avoid them being automatically filed into other categories. Beneath the default option, click on Customize. Here, you'll see tabs like Social, Promotions, Updates, and more. For clearer visibility, uncheck all boxes except for Primary. This ensures all general emails appear directly in your main inbox. After adjusting these settings, click Save to confirm the changes. This can often fix the issue of missing emails. If emails still don't appear, try one more step. On the left-hand side of Gmail, click More to expand additional labels and folders. Select All Mail to see every email you've received, regardless of category. If you still don't see certain emails, check your spam or trash folders. Sometimes important messages are accidentally filtered as spam or deleted. You can also check your filters by going back to Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses to ensure no rules are automatically archiving or deleting emails. Another helpful tip is to search for specific keywords or sender addresses in the Gmail search bar to locate missing emails quickly. Additionally, make sure your Gmail app or browser is updated, as older versions can sometimes cause syncing issues. For mobile users, ensure that notifications and sync settings are enabled in your Gmail app. Also, consider clearing your browser cache or reinstalling the Gmail app if problems persist. By following these steps, you can regain control over your inbox and make sure no important email gets overlooked. Regularly maintaining these settings prevents future issues and keeps your Gmail organized and efficient. With these techniques, your inbox will display all incoming emails correctly, making your email management easier and more reliable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you restore full functionality to your Gmail inbox. Happy emailing!